Our planet, a vibrant tapestry of life, is home to creatures so extraordinary, they defy our wildest imaginings. For every animal we think we know, there are countless others with secrets yet to be revealed, behaviors so peculiar and adaptations so ingenious they almost seem like science fiction. In this journey, we will explore the far corners of the Earth, from the deepest oceans to the highest canopies, to uncover the marvels of the animal kingdom. Let's count down, but our exploration begins with the 50 most amazing stories nature tells. Prepare to be amazed. We will venture into a world where parrots forget how to fly, where sea slugs wear the weapons of their prey, and where snakes race at speeds that challenge our own. These are not tales from mythology, but the everyday realities for these remarkable beings. Each one has carved out a unique existence, a testament to the relentless and creative power of evolution. Counting down from 50, let's begin our in-depth expedition from number 1, investigating the astonishing facts that demonstrate the brilliance and strangeness of life on Earth. 50 to 1, the world is full of wonders, but our focus is narrowed now. Welcome and join Era Channel as we reveal 50 of the most incredible animal facts. We'll meet fish that can shoot down their dinner with impeccable aim, mammals that smell of popcorn, and frogs so transparent you can witness the miracle of life beating within them. Each fact is a window into another world, a world of survival, ingenuity, and breathtaking beauty. Let the countdown commence. In the deep forests of New Zealand lives the kakapo, a remarkable parrot that, over millennia, has forgotten the art of flight, choosing a life on the forest floor. In the gentle currents of the ocean, the male seahorse defies convention, carrying his young in a dedicated pouch and experiencing the wonder of giving birth himself. The shoebill stork, with its ancient gaze and formidable beak, possesses a lightning-fast trap. Its bill snaps shut with astonishing speed, a lethal end for unsuspecting fish. Adrift on the ocean's surface, the beautiful blue dragon sea slug floats upside down, consuming venomous jellyfish and, storing their stinging cells for its own defense. On the African savanna, the black mamba is a creature of incredible speed. It is the world's fastest snake, capable of moving at 12 miles per hour. The platypus, already a puzzle of nature, holds another secret. Under the invisible rays of ultraviolet light, its dense fur radiates an eerie biofluorescent green glow. So, the saiga antelope of the Central Asian steppes survives extreme cold thanks to its large bulbous nose, which honestly works like a personal radiator, warming frigid air before it reaches the lungs. The Komodo dragon's fearsome reputation is definitely well-earned. Its bite delivers a complex venom that rapidly lowers its prey's blood pressure, causing shock and weakness. In the crushing dark of the deep sea, some male anglerfish find a female and, actually fuse to her body for life, becoming a permanent partner and sharing her bloodstream. For a tarantula, losing a limb is not a permanent disaster. Through the delicate process of molting, it has the incredible ability to regrow a lost leg. The vampire bat is not only a creature of the air. On the ground, it can gallop on all fours with surprising agility, moving almost as fast as it can fly. The maned wolf of South America is a master of its grassland home. Its extraordinarily long, slender legs act like stilts, allowing it to see over the tall grasses. When threatened, the otherwise drab sunbittern reveals a stunning defense. It flashes its wings, displaying these brilliant sun patterns that startle and deter potential predators. In the rainforests of Central and South America, the glass frog really lives up to its name. Its skin is so translucent, You can actually see its heart beating and its organs working. The elephant seal is a true master of the deep. It can hold its breath for over 100 minutes, diving to incredible depths in search of food. On the vast white ice floes of the Arctic, the harp seal pup is born with a coat of pure white, fluffy fur, perfect camouflage from predators like polar bears. The majestic king cobra possesses a unique defensive display. It can raise the front third of its body off the ground, standing tall enough to look a full-grown human in the eye. The leafy sea dragon is the ultimate master of disguise. Adorned with leaf-like appendages, it can subtly change its color to blend perfectly with surrounding seaweed. The archerfish has developed a remarkable hunting technique. It spits a precise jet of water from the surface, knocking unsuspecting insects from overhanging leaves into its waiting mouth. The secretary bird hunts on the African plains with a unique and deadly method. It uses its long, powerful legs to stomp on snakes, killing them with brutal force. The binturong, a strange creature from Southeast Asia, also known as a bearcat, has a bizarrely familiar scent. It smells just like buttered popcorn, a result of a chemical in its urine. The male proboscis monkey's comically large, fleshy nose is more than just for show. It acts as a resonating chamber, amplifying its loud calls through the mangrove forests. Pangolins are unique among mammals. They are the only ones in the world to be covered from head to toe in tough, overlapping scales made of keratin, just like our fingernails. The mimic poison frog employs a clever survival strategy. It perfectly imitates the bright warning colors of far more deadly frog species, tricking predators into leaving it alone. The mudskipper, wow, really blurs the line between land and sea. This amphibious fish can actually use its pectoral fins to walk on mudflats, and it can breathe air directly through its moist skin. Isn't that just incredible? The jaguar, possesses the most powerful bite force of any big cat relative to its size. Its jaws are strong enough to pierce through the thick shells of turtles and tortoises. That's some serious jaw strength. The superb lyrebird of Australia is, honestly, nature's greatest impressionist. It can perfectly mimic almost any sound it hears, from other birds to the roar of chainsaws and even camera shutters. Just amazing, right? The enormous ears of an African elephant are not just for hearing. They're actually filled with blood vessels and act as giant radiators, flapping to cool the animal down in the hot sun. The brilliant blue poison dart frog is a real jewel of the rainforest, but its beauty hides a deadly secret. The toxins in its skin are potent enough to kill 10 adult men. The Irrawaddy dolphin has a pretty clever fishing trick. It will herd schools of fish by spitting powerful jets of water at them, which startles them into a tighter group for easier capture. Flamingos are not born pink. They get their iconic color from pigments in the algae and shrimp they eat. Without this specific diet, they would be a dull gray. The mud puppy, a type of salamander, retains its juvenile features for its entire life. It never loses the feathery external gills it uses to breathe underwater. During mating season, the male frigatebird puts on a spectacular display. He inflates a huge, bright red gular pouch on his throat, like a giant balloon, to attract a female. So, the wombat, a master tunneler, has a clever adaptation. Its pouch actually faces backward, which, prevents dirt and debris from flying in and covering its young while it is digging. Each night, the parrotfish creates its own protection. It secretes a cocoon of mucus to sleep in, a sort of bubble that, well, masks its scent from nocturnal predators like moray eels. The Tasmanian devil may be small, but it's incredibly mighty. It has the strongest bite force for its size of any living mammal, honestly powerful enough to crunch through bone. The fossa of Madagascar is a uniquely agile predator. It can rotate its ankles 180 degrees, allowing it to climb down trees headfirst with the same speed as it climbs up. The gharial, which is a critically endangered crocodilian, has a very specialized tool for hunting. Its long, extremely thin snout is, honestly, perfectly designed for snapping up fish with minimal water resistance. The elusive okapi of the Congo rainforest looks like a cross between two animals. It has striped legs like a zebra, but actually, it is the closest living relative to the giraffe. The tiny pistol shrimp wields a super-powered claw. It can snap it shut so fast it creates a bubble that implodes with a loud pop, stunning prey and even breaking glass. Pretty wild, right? Male Gentoo penguins are, honestly, hopeless romantics. To woo a potential mate, a male will search for the smoothest, most perfect pebble to present to her as a token of his affection. The Australian thorny devil has a brilliant solution for desert life. It can collect morning dew on its spiky skin, which then travels along microscopic grooves directly to its mouth. It's just, wow! Nature at its cleverest! The glass-winged butterfly of Central America is, honestly, a master of camouflage. Its wings are almost completely transparent, lacking the scales that give other butterflies their color, making it nearly invisible in flight. Crows are highly intelligent and social birds, but their collective noun is rather sinister. A large group of crows gathered together is known evocatively as a murder. The Malayan flying fox is the largest bat in the world. This gentle giant, which feeds on fruit and nectar, can have a truly astonishing wingspan of over 5 feet. The pangolin has a secret weapon for catching ants and termites. Its incredibly long, sticky tongue is anchored deep in its chest cavity and, believe it or not, can extend to be longer than its entire body. The antlion larva is a patient and deadly predator. It digs a conical pit in loose sand and waits at the bottom, hidden for an unsuspecting ant to slip and fall in. The saola, a mysterious forest dweller from Vietnam and Laos, is so rare it's called the Asian unicorn. It was completely unknown to science until its discovery in 1992. Deep within the dark, underwater caves of Europe lives the olm, a blind salamander. In this stable, predator-free environment, it can live for more than 100 years. The maned wolf has a very peculiar way of marking its territory. The scent of its urine is so strong and distinct that it is often compared to the smell of cannabis. And so, our journey through 50 of nature's most astonishing creations comes to a close. From the scent-marking wolf to the flightless parrot, we have seen that the strategies for survival are as diverse and as wondrous as life itself. Each creature, no matter how strange or small, plays a vital role in the intricate web that connects us all. They are the result of millions of years of trial and error, a living library of solutions to the challenges of existence on this planet. The sheer ingenuity on display is a profound reminder of the creative power of the natural world. These stories are not mere curiosities. They are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. They challenge our perceptions and expand our understanding of what is possible. In a world where so much is known, it is humbling to realize how many secrets are still held by the animals with whom we share our home. The glowing platypus and the glass-winged butterfly are not just facts to be memorized, but invitations to look closer, to listen more carefully, and to marvel at the complexity around us. The health of these incredible species and countless others is inextricably linked to the health of our planet. Their future, and indeed our own, depends on our ability to protect these precious environments. For the tapestry of life is vast, but its threads are fragile. We must continue to explore, to learn, and to cherish the boundless wonder of the natural world, ensuring that its stories can be told for generations